Lord Howe Island project that CDS was recently involved in was to support marine rescue on a submersed mooring system for their rescue vessel that is permanently positioned over the Lord Howe Island. The works involved our team to prepare all the equipment. Logistics was quite complicated to get our equipment prepared, quarantine checked and transported to the vessel, and transport all the equipment, including our large 8-metre dive boat, over to the island. So we had to fly our team over behind our equipment, landed a couple of days later, and unpack all the equipment off the ship, unload it onto the island, and establish a work site, meet our client, review the site, safety measures had to be accounted for, and then start to unpack the work scope. So the works involved our divers to repair a mooring system that had failed, and as a result of that mooring system failing, the marine rescue vessel broke away from the mooring and got washed up against the rocks during a really big storm. Sustained a lot of damage to that vessel, so we were tasked with the job to reinstate the mooring to the correct specifications to ensure that the mooring system wouldn't break and the vessel wouldn't sustain any further damage. So that required our divers to utilise some pretty specialist equipment that was to bury the mooring system into the seabed to ensure that it was going to be strong enough to hold the boat during some pretty significant weather conditions. So that work was done over about a 5-day period. The divers were doing 10, 12-hour shifts on the water through all sorts of adverse weather conditions. So there was quite a few challenges that our team encountered during that work. Trying to meet the expectations of the client, trying to maintain our time schedule, and also working with the ever-changing weather conditions on the island.